Okay, congratulations. We are now at section 5. So, we're going to learn how to showcase your skills without spending a dime. Learn how to create a winning portfolio. So, one of the biggest misconceptions about freelancing is that you need to spend money to create a portfolio. So, you don't. You can start with what you already have and use free platforms to build a compelling portfolio that attract clients. So here's how you can create an impactful freelancer portfolio without investing in expensive tools or website. Okay, so this is how to show your skills for free. So for example, if you were a video editor, if you offer video editing services, clients need to see your editing style and skills. Here's how to showcase your work. So you can use Google Drive or create a YouTube channel and then set it as unlisted. So you can save your best edits in Google Drive and share the link with your potential clients. So yeah, and then upload your videos on YouTube, set it as unlisted. So only those with the link can view them. Okay. It's very easy, not complicated. And then next, if you want to be hired as social media manager, you need to prove that you can create engaging content and grow accounts. So I used my own social media platform, which is TikTok, and that's already a proof that I know how to grow an audience. And also now my YouTube channel, I also show them that. It's because that time when I started freelancing, I have 10,000 followers on TikTok. So it's already enough to grow, to prove the client that I know how to grow an audience. You're an introvert or you don't like posting on social media, so you can help a friend create content. So you can show them your friend's social media, and that's now your portfolio. Virtual assistant. You can show them an organized Google Drive or Google Sheets or the Notion. So yeah, start exploring Notion now if you want to get hired as virtual assistant. So you can show them, here's how I organize my tasks, my personal projects on Notion. So I can do the same for you. And then if you're a graphic designer, so you can use Canva to create a portfolio. On my next courses, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to create portfolios. A one link portfolio, like a website. So right now, you're only a beginner. What you need is not like a website thing, or you just need to show your skills as a beginner. You don't need those website format yet. Focused on what you have, and it has to be free. You don't want to spend before earning. You have to earn first before you spend. Maximize the things that you already have. Okay, so yeah, I use my TikTok profile as my portfolio, and clients are actually amazed with that. And I did not expect that I will get hired because of that. Your portfolio is a living document.